Okay, lesson 14.5, cash discounts, EOM dating. That stands for end of month. Your objective is to calculate the cash price when the discount is based on end of month dating. And end of month dating, these are terms of payment on an invoice from a supplier which grants a cash discount if the bill is paid within a certain number of days after the end of the month when the invoice is issued. Okay? Now, this is not a tough lesson. There are several rules and stipulations which you have to abide by. Once we get those figured out, you will see how easy it is. Okay, get this copied down, press pause, and resume play when you are ready. Okay, moving along. All right, now, we get to this part, and it says 6/EOM. Okay? The 6 represents the percent of the cash discount. The 10 EOM is the discount given if the bill is paid within this many days after the end of the month in which the invoice is issued. All right, now, although it is not stated, it is understood that the full amount is due 20 days after the last day for taking the discount. Okay? We need to highlight this. You guys need to know that the full amount is due 20 days after the last day for taking the discount. Okay? You're going to have to use that part. All right? Get your formulas down. And the only other kind of tricky part is when you use end of month dating, it's common business practice to grant a 1-month extension on invoices dated on or after the 26th of the month. Okay? So, you need to know this portion right here. I would write this down in your notes. Okay? And we will look at that. Okay, so go ahead and copy those highlighted portions down and press pause, and then we'll get busy. Alrighty, here we go. Now, example 1. Bob's Drugstore received this invoice from General Wholesalers. What is the last day Bob's can take advantage of the 4% cash discount? What is the last day to pay the invoice? Find the cash discount, the cash price, and the cash price using the complement method. Okay, we've got quite a few different questions here, so let's just start with the first one. The first question says, what is the last day Bob's can take advantage of the 4% cash discount? Okay. The invoice is dated July 12th. The terms are 4/10 end of the month. Okay? Okay. Now, the date of the invoice is July 12th. Okay? So, you automatically go to the next month. And since it's 4/10 into the month, that means you get 4% off if paid within the first 10 days of the following month. Okay, so July, we go to August. August 10th is the last day to take the discount. Okay, question number 2. What is the last day to pay the invoice? Well, if you have until the 10th of August to get the discount, you get 20 days past the date for the discount. So 10 plus 20 is 30. So August 30th is the last day to pay the invoice. Okay, question number 3. Question 3 states to find the cash discount. Well, my total for the invoice is $727.05. So 727.05 times 0.04. Okay? Plug that in the calculator. And you get $29.08. Okay? Question 4 asks us to find the let's see, the cash price. $727.05 minus 2908. Okay. And we get 697.97. And finally, question number 5 asks us to find the cash price using the complement method. Okay, if we remember the complement, how to find it? Well, it's 4%. 100 minus 4 is 96. 96% is our complement. So it's 727.05 times 0.96. We should get the same answer that we had on number 4, which is 697.97. Okay? Let's take a look at questions 1 through 6. Okay, go ahead and try to work these on your own, and press pause while you're working them and play to see them worked out. Okay, hopefully you've worked these out. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at this one. Number 1 says, let's see, an invoice is dated November 7th, has terms of 2/10, end of the month. Net price is $7,100. The invoice is paid December 9th. Determine the following. What is the last day to take the discount? Okay. Well, if the invoice is dated November 7th, we've got to go to the end of the month and we start December. 10 days into December is the last day to take the discount. So number 1, December 10th is the last day for the discount. Number 2 says the last day to pay the invoice. Okay, again, it's 10 plus 20. We always add 20 on to the date for the discount. Okay, 10 plus 20 is 30. So it's December 30th is the last day to pay the invoice. Number 3, find the cash discount. Well, my invoice is $7,100 times, let's see, it is 2%. 7,100 times 0.02 is 142. All right, number 4 wants us to find the cash price. 7,100 minus 142 is 6,958. That's my cash price. Okay, question 5. Find the complement of the cash discount. Complement is 100 minus the 2% that I can save. My complement is 98%. Number 6, find the cash price using the complement method. $7,100 times 0.98. Plug that into the calculator, you get 6,958. Okay? Simple and easy. Now, let's take a look at the next example. Here we go. It says, an invoice dated November 27th has terms of 2/10, end of the month. Your net price is $8,100. The invoice is paid January 9th. When is the last day that the 2% cash discount can be taken and the last day to pay the invoice? Find the cash price using the complement method. Okay. With this problem, since my date on the invoice is November 27th, okay, this is the second rule. Anything dated the 26th or after in the month automatically goes to the next month. So basically what that means is November 27th for this problem is equal to December 1st in the eyes of the company that produced the invoice. Okay? All right, now, so since November 27th is equivalent to December 1st, the first question it asks is, what is the last day to take the 2% cash discount? Well, if November 27th is the same as December 1st, you have to go to the end of December. Next month is January. and it's 10 days into January, so January 10th is the last day to take the discount. All right. Question 2 asks, what's the last day to pay the invoice? Well, you still do the same thing as we did before. 10 plus 20 is 30. So January 30th is the last day to pay the invoice. And finally, question 3 says, find the cash price using the complement method. Well, the complement of 2% is 98%. So take 8,100 times 0.98, and we have our answer, which is 7,938. Okay? Let's look at problems 7 through 9. Press pause while you work these out and play to see it work. So let's work this out now. Number 7, find the last day to take the discount. Well, my invoice is dated February 27th. So February 27th is equivalent to March 1st. Okay? So, it's end of the month. So since my official billing date is March 1st, I can go until April. Just go to the next month. 10 days in, April 10th. Okay, question 8. Last day to pay the invoice. Again, always add 20. 10 plus 20 is 30, so it's April 30th. And number 9, find the cash price using the complement method. Okay, the complement of 3%, 100 minus 3 is 97. 2,400 times 0.97, plug that in, is 2,328. Okay? Pretty simple if you just follow the rules. Here's your assignment, lesson 14.5, page 531, 1 through 17, and 21. Get busy.